If you're starting with this video, I suggest you to go back to the first video and then come here after finishing that, because or else it just does not make any sense to you. To briefly summarize, grammar videos, and then glossar, course book and Übungsbook, solve everything, and then exam training. So that is how you do for each level. So let's start. Day one is Duolingo. You have to do 4 to 6 hours, not more than that, to just get yourself familiar with some German words, some German phrases. So that is all Duolingo. And then there's one video of your German teacher that teaches alphabets and numbers. Those videos you have to watch, and then first 2 videos of Learn German. Okay, I'll put all the links in the description. And you have to remember that the second person has 2 forms, the formal and the informal one. So you have to be mindful of which one to use. There are 2 videos of Learn German that you have to watch for sentence structure, and then personal pronoun, watch this video. And then verbs, there are regelmäßige and unregelmäßige verbs. For that, these videos you have to watch. And then adjectives, there are adjectives. There's one video of Learn German, it's optional, but you'll anyways come across that in your. And then numbers greater than 100, there's one video of Learn German that you have to watch. And then articles are super important. There's bestimmt article, unbestimmt article, negative articles, and then possessive articles. All those videos you have to watch. And then genders, der, die, das, that is super important, and there are some tricks to understand how you have to use the genders. You'll also come across that in the chota boxes that you find in the books, and there are also some tricks because of the endings and the patterns. There's one video of your German teacher that's good in explaining that. And then time, official and unofficial time, is explained well in Learn German. And then tricks for plural, that is available on your German teacher channel. And then Wehfragen, that is something that you need to know. And cases, nominative and accusative. Cases are something that is super important to understand what cases to use when. Only a few verbs take a nominative. I think it's sein, bleiben, just a few. There are a handful of verbs. And then accusative and then dative case. Once you finish watching your German teacher's videos of accusative, I suggest you to go back to Learn German channel and watch these videos on accusative case, the basics of accusative and the possessive article in accusative case, because this is a very, very important concept, and watching 2 videos will be also like revision for you, and I feel that it is better. Then there's dative cases. Once you finish watching dative basics video of your German teacher, I want you to go to Learn German channel and watch these 3 videos of dative, because this is super important, and I want you to watch as many videos as possible for this. And then there are trennbare und untrennbare verbs, that I suggest you to watch these videos for that. And then position of gern, that is important. Your German teacher has explained it pretty well. And then there are ordinal numbers. Your German teacher's video is top for that. And then there's also imperative. Watch it from Learn German. After all these videos, start reading network. And whenever you feel bored, after a few chapters, you can again start watching the remaining videos side by side. There are videos that you need to watch for perfect. There are a few videos of Learn German. And after this, also watch Lutz's videos, right? And then there's also Präteritum. Only sein and haben is in A1, A2 level. That also you need to watch, you need to know. If you're confused on when to use Präteritum and when to use perfect, perfect is generally used everywhere and every time. Präteritum is mostly used in literature and in stories, and some words use Präteritum and not perfect. For example, modal verbs and sein, haben. Others are generally used with perfect form. There are some adverbs of time, and there's a concept where to use nicht and where to use kein. That also is there. And then modal verbs, you need to know modal verbs from Learn German. And after this, there are 4 videos of your German teacher that explain sentence structure. You have to know it, you have to watch it thoroughly, all 4. That is the basis for your further German learning. He'll teach you what position 1 means. It's not one word. Position 1 and position 2 are different from word number 1 and word number 2. Once you understand what first position entity means and second position entity means, it'll just get smoother for you. And there are also a few more, there are a few connectors: und, oder, aber, and then there's you need to know the difference between ja, nein and doch. And there are also a few more videos that are relevant for this level, and I'll just put those links also in the description, and that will finish your A1. There's also a playlist of Learn German of all preposition. You can also watch it in A1 or A2. I prefer you watch it in A2 because that you'll understand it better. Then A1 is too, your knowledge is too basic for that. The prepositions used at A1 level are für, ab, mit, nach, zu, seit, bei, vor, aus, von, and in. So you can only watch these videos in that preposition playlist, or you can watch everything together in A2 or mid A2 level, mid A2 or at the end of A2. It's your choice. We're done with A1 now. After this, go read your glossar and then go solve your Kursbuch and Übungsbuch, and then exam preparatory modules if you want to give exam of A1, or else progress to the next level. Don't bother too much if you can't finish all this in just 3 weeks. You'll anyways end up catching it up in further levels.